Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss everything related to investments and income generation strategies. Today, I bring you a very interesting and exciting project that has generated a lot of buzz in the DeFi space. Baked Beans Reloaded. Let's explore in detail how this Dapp works in the digital economy, its key features, and the opportunities it offers. The evolution of baked beans. Innovation and resilience in the crypto world. In the dynamic realm of cryptocurrencies, projects often appear and disappear quickly. However, some stand out for their longevity and success, like Baked Beans. Founded in November 2021 by the visionary Kratos, the GOAT, Baked Beans quickly rose to prominence, recording a total value locked (TVL) of 35,560 BNB. Ask Google how much that amount is in dollars. Despite the challenges of the bear market, this project remained active for over a year, leaving an indelible mark on the crypto landscape. The return of the project. Baked Beans Reloaded, Innovations and Improvements. The original Baked Beans miner launched at the peak of the bull market, operating successfully for over a year. However, the bear market highlighted the need for adaptation, leading to Baked Beans Reloaded. This relaunch brings an improved contract that guarantees greater security and efficiency, reducing risks and enhancing the user experience. The new marketing strategy launching on June 1st will expand its visibility, reaching audiences in various languages and platforms. From influential endorsements to extensive media coverage, Baked Beans Reloaded ensures a continuous and significant presence in the market. Additionally, it has been audited by CertiK and CryptoPrim, with KYC verification from CertiK, thus prioritizing transparency and security for investors. The heart of the ecosystem. The Baked Beans Reloaded miner. At the core of the Baked Beans Reloaded ecosystem lies the Baked Beans miner, which remains central to its operations. The revenues generated by other areas of the ecosystem are reinvested directly into the miner's TVL, total capital of all users, reaffirming its fundamental importance. Additionally, the launch of the Baked token introduces an innovative revenue-generating mechanism, with a 2% tax on buys and sells, ensuring the sustainability and continuous growth of the miner and its total capital. Launch of the Baked token. Driving the ecosystem. The Baked token is a crucial component of the Baked Beans ecosystem, providing a currency for the Web3 casino and promoting the miner's sustainability. With an initial capital of $142,680, Baked is already standing out in the crypto market and promises to reach unprecedented price levels. The upcoming launch of the Web3 casino on June 1, 2024, further reinforces the utility of Baked tokens, with foundational games ready to play and only accessible with Baked, the official currency of Baked Beans Reloaded. What is Baked Beans Reloaded? The heart of the project. Baked Beans Reloaded is a simple Dapp operating on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. It allows users to deposit BNB and obtain beans. These beans generate passive income in BNB, which can be reinvested, rebaked, to increase the number of beans or withdrawn. Eat beans as profits. How the miner works. Deposit. You need BNB in your decentralized wallet. It is recommended to use Coinbase to convert your local currency to cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, and then transfer it to MetaMask, which is the most user-friendly and popular wallet for these BNB transactions with the miner. Connect and deposit. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the Dapp. Enter the amount of BNB you want to deposit, and click Bake. Remember to leave some BNB for gas fees. Beans. The deposited BNB is converted into beans, which are essentially miners that generate BNB. Rebake and eat beans. 1. Rebake. Reinvest your profits, increasing the number of beans over time. 2. Eat beans. Withdraw accumulated profits to your wallet, minus gas fees. Key features. 1. Minimum deposit. No minimum deposit, you can start with any amount sufficient to obtain at least one bean. 2. Maximum deposit. You can deposit up to 15% of the TVL, total capital of all users, at any time. 3. Daily percentage. Variable, up to 8%, depending on the contract balance and bean inflation rates. Strategies to maximize profits. It is recommended to reinvest 6 times a week and withdraw profits once a week to maintain the balance of your invested capital and maximize your rewards. Project sustainability. The Baked Beans Reloaded team has implemented strategies to ensure the project's sustainability, including external revenue sources like a merchandising store, rigorous audits from CertiK, and anti-whale mechanisms. Large capital investors, such as maximum deposit limits, cooldown for rebate, 60 minutes, reduced referral rewards, and inflationary mechanics. Participation and strategy. The contract is designed to provide optimal entry for all users, new or old. The key is to follow a balanced strategy of reinvesting and withdrawing to maximize rewards and contribute to the project's stability. A promising future for baked beans. With listings on centralized exchanges on the horizon and a robust marketing campaign underway, Baked Beans is poised to reach new levels of success. In summary, Baked Beans Reloaded offers an exciting way to generate passive income in the DeFi space, with a focus on full transparency and sustainability. Conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it has provided a clear and concise understanding of Baked Beans Reloaded. The project links and instructions for opening your respective virtual wallets are in the video description. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below, and as always, invest carefully and only what you are willing to lose. See you next time.